The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and modern design trends continue to enhance its functionality, style, and comfort. Whether you're renovating your space or building from scratch, modern kitchen designs combine sleek aesthetics with practical features to create a beautiful and efficient cooking area. 1. Minimalist layouts. One of the key elements of modern kitchens is a minimalist approach. Clean lines, clutter-free countertops, and well-organized storage are central to this style. Cabinets with hidden handles or push-to-open systems give a smooth and seamless appearance. 2. Smart storage solutions. Modern kitchens focus on functionality, and smart storage is a must. Use pull-out shelves, corner drawers, vertical racks, and deep drawers for pots and pans. Overhead cabinets reaching the ceiling also help in utilizing space effectively. Modern kitchens often use a mix of high-quality materials like quartz, marble, stainless steel, and glass. Countertops made from engineered stone are durable and stylish. Backsplashes in glass or patterned tiles add personality to the space. 5. Open concept designs. Incorporating the kitchen into an open living space is a common modern idea. It not only makes the space look bigger, but also encourages interaction. Use kitchen islands or breakfast bars as a transition between the kitchen and living room. 6. Energy-efficient appliances. Modern design also focuses on sustainability. Use energy-efficient appliances that save electricity and reduce utility bills. Built-in ovens, induction cooktops, and smart refrigerators are both practical and stylish. 7. Statement lighting. Pendant lights over islands or under cabinet lighting can enhance both functionality and ambiance. Choose lighting fixtures that complement your overall theme: industrial, minimalist, or elegant. Open layout design. Modern kitchens often embrace an open concept layout, blending with the dining or living area. This design improves space flow, increases natural light, and allows interaction while cooking. It's ideal for small to medium-sized homes. Minimalist aesthetics. Clean lines, clutter-free counters, and sleek cabinetry define modern kitchens. Handleless drawers and matte finishes in neutral tones, like white, gray, or black, give a timeless and sophisticated look. Smart storage solutions. Maximizing space is key. Modern designs incorporate deep drawers, pull-out shelves, vertical cabinets, and hidden compartments to keep utensils and appliances organized. Modular storage is popular for flexibility. Use of high-quality materials. Materials like quartz countertops, ceramic tiles, stainless steel, and tempered glass are preferred. They're not only durable, but also easy to clean and maintain. Wooden elements are also used to add warmth. Color scheme and finishes. Modern kitchens often use neutral tones like white, beige, and gray, paired with bold accents like navy, forest green, or matte black. Glossy finishes or soft matte cabinets enhance the clean look. Wood textures, marble, and metal accents add depth and warmth. Functional layouts. The layout is built around the work triangle, the stove, sink, and refrigerator, to ensure smooth workflow. L-shaped, U-shaped, and galley kitchens are popular, depending on space. Efficient movement between these key areas is the foundation of modern planning. Modular cabinetry. Pre-designed modular kitchen cabinets allow for flexibility, storage, and style. They come in various configurations to fit all kitchen sizes. Soft close drawers, corner units, and pull-out organizers keep the space tidy and user-friendly. Smart technology integration. Smart kitchens are a big trend. Motion sensor taps, voice-controlled lights, app-connected ovens, and refrigerators with screens for shopping lists or recipes make cooking easier and more fun. High-performance countertops. Quartz, granite, and corian are durable and stylish countertop materials. They resist scratches, heat, and stains, making them ideal for a modern, high-use kitchen. Waterfall countertops, where the counter extends vertically down the side, add a luxury touch. Modern lighting fixtures. Pendant lights over the kitchen island or dining area add elegance. Recessed lighting provides overall brightness, while LED strips under cabinets help illuminate worktops. Good lighting also highlights design features. Space-saving furniture. Foldable dining tables, bar-style counters, and multi-use islands help make the most of smaller kitchen spaces. Many modern kitchens now incorporate casual seating or breakfast nooks. Statement pieces. Instead of flashy decor, modern kitchens feature a statement item. A patterned backsplash, bold-colored cabinets, or a unique light fixture. This balances minimalism with personality. Seamless transitions. In open-plan homes, the kitchen flows into the dining or living area. Matching flooring and consistent color schemes help blend the spaces smoothly. Open shelving concepts. Modern kitchens often include a mix of closed cabinets and open shelving. Open shelves add a sense of openness, showcase elegant dishware or plants, and break the monotony of solid cabinet blocks. Minimalist hardware sleek, handleless cabinet doors, or slim metallic pulls maintain a clean look. Push-to-open drawers and touch-sensitive doors are also becoming common in modern designs. Multi-functional islands. Kitchen islands now serve as prep zones, storage units, dining areas, or even workspaces. Many feature built-in sinks, induction cooktops, or charging ports for electronics. Hidden appliances. Built-in ovens, concealed dishwashers, and integrated refrigerators blend into cabinetry, making the kitchen look less cluttered and more refined. Innovative storage solutions. Vertical pull-out pantries, corner carousels, under-sink drawers, and wall-mounted organizers maximize storage in modern kitchens without sacrificing style.